Boho design is unconventional and artistic, mixing natural materials, various textures, and color to create spaces you want to hang out in. Using boho style to decorate a bathroom can take it from a place where you brush your teeth, shower, and get ready for the day or night to a styled oasis where the quotidian feels elevated. Bohemian design make it ideal for places where you want to relax. It's no wonder, then, we're seeing so many great boho bathrooms. Boho design elements like natural textures, warm colors and prints, and candlelight make your bathroom feel like a sanctuary. The decadent, laid-back aesthetic can actually be challenging to master, though. Compared with design styles like mid-century modern that have clear elements, boho design is much more flexible, and the rules are purposefully left open to interpretation. That's why we're here to help with inspiration. Similar to an eclectic design style, a boho design style brings together different colors, textures, and patterns and blends styles and eras for a look that's actually more curated than it might initially appear. Like a boho bedroom or living room, the best boho bathrooms never look dated. Boho design is about your personality, not the current must-have styles. In that sense, it's timeless, which makes it a great choice for a bathroom. Boho bathrooms have to be practical too. Trust us, you're not going to see any shag rugs next to bathtubs here. Primary bathrooms and even power rooms are hard-working spaces that you want to look and feel clean, so opt for bohemian elements that aren't hard to care for, like vibrant artwork, hanging plants, and colorful tile.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.